Now in this I am going to connect laptops to the Arduino, not for uploading but for the power. Now you can see it is calibrating. Now I will connect the battery for this light. Just see, this is the main light for the room. This is not the main light. Now the PIR sensor is not sensing anything. If I will see, if when I move my hand, the light on. See, I think you cannot see my hand. Just wait a moment. Now see, can you see that? You can control the time delay and your sensor's proximity range, that within which range it should sense the motion. So you can control here. These are the two potentiometers, and by chance if you found that your circuit is working opposite, that means when it is sensing something the light is off, and when it is not sensing anything the light is on, then you just change the connections of the relay, only the relays connections, and then your circuit will work properly. I have applied this circuit in my room. Now as I will enter, the light will turn on. See, the light is turned on. Just for showing you the working of the circuit in my room. That's why I have decreased the delay time and the sensitivity of my product, of that PIR sensor. Otherwise, I keep my sensitivity of that PIR motion sensor according to the size of the room, and the delay time is 5 minutes. That if it will sense the motion once, the time for which the bulb, that means that bulb, will turn on for 5 minutes. And if it will not sense any motion during those 5 minutes, the light will turn off immediately. This is my project. I have just changed some connections, and I have connected the home circuit, my house circuit, with the relay. The relay is inside this with the help of an electrician. You can also do that. You can show him the circuit diagram to your electrician and you can see the result. Thank you.